BuddyPond. What is hopping, my good buddies? Welcome to another one of our daily videos. Today is day 25 of posting each day until we fundraise $1 million for the BuddyPond. This is BuddyPond. Today, we're going to be talking about the multimedia card features that we have for our chat, right? So all of the chat rooms have the ability to render cards, right? So we're just going to dive right into it. Here's an example of a chat we have going on. I have a few cards rendered already. Here's the YouTube card. You see it renders right in the chat as multimedia. If I click on here, it's going to launch interdimensional cable. Here we have an audio recording. To get one of these in, you would hit the audio recording button here, hit record, and then hit send. Here's an image that we put in. If you challenge a buddy to chess, they're going to get a little card for the chess card here, and that's going to have them open the chess app, and then on the other computer we can connect and begin playing. If you send a buddy coin to someone by clicking the buddy coin icon, go through and hit send, it's going to render right here. So I'm going to explain how this works. We're going to go to the code. In the open source front-end code base for BuddyPond, available on GitHub, see the link below, there's a directory called card. We have about 20 different of these multimedia chat cards. And if we look at the YouTube one, for example, it's just a single JS function. You get a little bit of HTML and you get a little bit of CSS. It's really quite simple. So the way that this works is that you can add a new card into the system by opening up a pull request, or you can modify one of the existing cards, and then it's available in the chat. Here we have the example of the GitHub card, right? If you post a link to any GitHub file in a repository, it's going to render the code inline. Here we have the example of the website card. So if you put a website link in there, it's going to be smart enough to pull the meta tags for the website and render it right in line. So we're looking to improve cards as always. If you have any ideas for a new card, a new piece of embeddable multimedia, please let us know. I have 2 open issues that we're going to review for cards today. We'll go to the GitHub issue tracker for BuddyPond, and we have 2 cards available that we'd like to see improved, that I've created new issues for, that you could work on and get yourself some buddy points. All right. So here we have one for improving the interdimensional cable card / YouTube card. That's this one right here. So in this issue, we're looking to just make it look better. Instead of it being the default little image here, we want it to look more like this. Maybe a little bit of a TV, maybe, tighten up the styling a little bit. Be creative. Check out the task, number 96 in issues. And then the other card that we're looking to improve is the audio card, right? So that's this one here that we just saw. We want to add waveforms to it using WaveSurfer. So instead of it just rendering like this plain old audio element, we want it to look like this, where it has the waveform. And I've got the link for WaveSurfer, which is the library to make the waveform. I've got the link to the audio card. It's quite easy. Check it out. Come join us. Hop in the BuddyPond. I'm usually hanging out there to say hello. Join our Discord. The link is below. We look forward to seeing you. And I'm so grateful for everyone watching this. The past 4 weeks have been amazing. We've had tons of new users. Like I said, today is day 25 of posting daily videos each day until we fundraise $1 million for the BuddyPond. It's amazing. We've had such an outreach of people. Thank you everyone who's been commenting and giving us feedback. We have a shout out today to AlBuddy1. That's AlBuddy1. He gave us a suggestion for a really cool new game that we added last night. If you're watching this, thank you, buddy. Appreciate you. And we'll keep it short. That's it for today. Until next time, hop on the BuddyPond.